Hello! Today we embark on a new journey. Wait, that's for something else. We did get a package for the 2016 WRX STI. Let's check that out. Alright, here we go. There it is. It did come bubble wrap inside the box and held in with a bunch of staples. This is from bodykits.com. This is the Carbon Creation C style. So if you want one for your car, I can leave the link in the bottom. They also have a different styles for a lot of cars. All right, we'll get this in and see what it looks like. All right, here's the mock-up. Not too bad of a fitment. Could be better. There are some blemishes on it, but not too bad. Right now it's being hidden by the bumper, so I'm not too worried about it. So up next, I am going to fasten it on the bumper with some nuts and bolts. Stay tuned. Alright, here it is. Took quite a bit of time, but we got it done. Not too bad on the fitment. I'll show you underneath. I didn't really measure the spacings on the screws, but just pretty much just eyed it. I mean, once you take off your under tray, in my case, I got a skid plate, which is right there, and it works out. Not too bad on the fitment. Can't fit your finger in it, which is good. Quality's not that bad. Alright, if you like it, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.